Since we're still in a bear market, it's no wonder that many crypto investors are wondering when the next crypto bull run will happen. Based on Bitcoin's past market cycles, we can expect the next crypto bull run to start after the Bitcoin halving in 2024 and reach its peak in late 2025. In today's video, we will talk about the cryptocurrency expectations for the year 2024. Make sure to watch the video till the end to learn about the prediction regarding the bull run, the next Bitcoin halving, Ethereum scalability improvements in 2024. We will also talk about the price prediction for the year 2024. Bitcoin bull market history. In order to make an educated guess, we first need to look at the history of crypto bull markets and bear markets. We'll use Bitcoin as the example, as it has the longest history and typically leads the market. So far, Bitcoin has seen three major bull runs. The first major Bitcoin bull run came in 2013, when the price of BET exceeded the $1,000 mark for the first time ever and peaked at $1,150. In the ensuing bear market, Bitcoin bottomed out at a price of around $171, down 85% from the peak. It took a little over a year after the peak for the bottom to be reached. The second major Bitcoin bull run began gaining steam in 2016 and then accelerated massively in 2017. In this bull run, BET reached a peak of just under $20,000 in December of 2017. Interestingly enough, the peaks of the 2013 and 2017 Bitcoin bull runs were almost exactly 4 years apart. When the 2017 crypto bull run began losing steam, it took until December 2018 for Bitcoin to find a bottom. The bottom was reached at a price of about $3,200, which was a decline of roughly 84% from the peak. The 2013 and 2017 Bitcoin bull runs and subsequent bear markets had two things in common. In both cases, it took Bitcoin roughly 1 year to find a bottom after the peak of the bull run was reached. In addition, the price of Bitcoin crashed by about 85% both times. The third major Bitcoin rally happened in 2021. This rally reached its peak in November of 2021 at a price of $68,770, which is the current Bitcoin all-time high. Notably, this peak also came roughly 4 years after the peak of the previous BET bull run. So far, the lowest price level reached following the November 2021 peak was $15,600, which was hit in November of 2022. This crash represented a 77% decline from peak to bottom. In terms of timing, this more or less aligns with the previous two Bitcoin market cycles, in which it took Bitcoin about 1 year to hit a bottom after reaching a bull run peak. If history is going to repeat itself, we would see a new Bitcoin bull run begin picking up steam sometime in 2024 and reach its peak in late 2025. The next Bitcoin halving. Now let's identify some catalysts that could contribute to a new crypto bull run starting to take form. Arguably, the most important fundamental event that could spark a new crypto bull run is the upcoming Bitcoin halving. At the time of recording, the next Bitcoin halving is expected to occur in May 2024. There have been 3 Bitcoin halvings so far, and each of them was followed by a bull run in the Bitcoin markets. In fact, BET has reached a new all-time high in each of its 4-year halving periods so far. If this trend is going to continue, we could see a Bitcoin bull run starting to gain momentum in the second half of 2024 following the next Bitcoin halving. Bitcoin's rebound is just the start of a rally that will take it past $50,000 next year, courtesy of a process known as halving that curbs the supply of new tokens, according to projections from crypto analysts. Ethereum scalability improvements. Another catalyst for the next crypto bull run could be Ethereum. Ethereum has enabled new types of products including decentralized cryptocurrency exchanges, NFTs, decentralized lending protocols, and much more. While these use cases had already attracted an impressive amount of users, Ethereum still hasn't reached mainstream adoption. One of the main reasons for this is the limited scalability of the Ethereum network. To put it simply, Ethereum becomes extremely expensive to use when there is a surge in demand for transactions. Thankfully, there are initiatives on both Layer 1 and Layer 2 to drastically improve scalability. The progress on the Layer 2 front is especially promising as we're seeing platforms like Optimism, Arbitrum, and Polygon Scheme provide much more efficient alternatives that still benefit from the security of the Ethereum network. If someone were to create a killer app for Ethereum that would attract massive amounts of uses, the underlying infrastructure would actually be able to support it and potentially bring millions of new users into crypto. Bitcoin price prediction for 2024. For another perspective of when the next crypto bull run could happen, let's take a look at what the algorithmic Bitcoin price prediction on CoinCodex is forecasting for the future. Bitcoin's early 2023 performance, with an 84% year-to-date increase and a weakened correlation with the Nasdaq 100, has set the stage for an intriguing on-chain analysis leading up to the 2024 halving event. Currently, the Bitcoin price prediction is suggesting that Bitcoin will begin rallying in October 2023 and accelerate its climb at the beginning of next year. The prediction is even forecasting that BATC will achieve new all-time highs in Q1 of 2024. After the analysis of the prices of Bitcoin in previous years, it is assumed that in 2024, the minimum price of Bitcoin will be around $41,831. The maximum expected BATC price may be around $50,117. On average, the trading price might be $43,352 in 2024. After reaching the target price of $43,352, it is conceivable that Bitcoin could attain a $100,000 valuation in the aftermath of the 2024 halving event, as the reduced block reward increases BATC scarcity and potentially drives up demand. When do you think the next crypto bull run is going to start? Make sure to let us know in the comments below. Good luck in your crypto journey. That's it for today's video. If you guys liked the video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Stay tuned, and thank you for watching the video.